How's it going, guys? Cole Roth with MarineMax Naples. Today we're going to be checking out Sea Ray's newest model, the 280 SLX. This model year is the 2025 right now. We'll start with our aft storage area, which does house our battery switches. As you'll notice on the back, a large aft lounger here with radio controls and USB ports. If we look up top towards the hardtop here, we'll notice an extended shade that's out, and you're able to press it in when you want a little bit more sun on the back area. As we come through the walkway here, we'll notice floor hatch storage. And then coming into our cockpit, you'll notice plenty of seating. And then actually underneath this aft seat gives us access to our bilge area, which can be used as a little bit of storage also. Staying on the starboard side, you'll notice underneath this seat is cooler storage as well as an insulated box. On the port side, we do have storage underneath the seats, as well as it gives us access to that long storage hatch on that port side. One thing you'll notice with the new Sea Ray 28 SLX is the sport tower, which on a switch panel can actually go down if you want to go under bridges, if you're in a storage barn. Is a really cool feature. And then it just raises right back up. All on the fly. As we come forward, you'll notice a small fridge underneath the helm seat here. What's cool about this model too is the actual double helm seat as well as the passenger seat do flip backwards and forward to keep the conversation going with your guest. As you'll notice at the helm here, we have two twin SIMRAD displays, as well as our Mercury throttle and joystick over to the starboard side. As we go through the walkthrough, you'll notice Sea Ray's classic foldable windshield, as well as the wind door on the bottom. We do have our head area here on the port side as well. Just always a nice feature, but I do love that when they put the glove box on top. Somewhere to put your phone, keys, and wallet. As we come forward to the bow, you'll notice in the floor hatch here for storage, as well as lounger seating with armrests and cup holders. This model does have the windlass, but it also has a freshwater shower up front, so if you want to hose the windlass off as it's coming in the boat. This has been a quick little run through of the 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Come check us out at MarineMax Naples. My name is Cole. Thanks for watching.